Hello everyone, I'm Manali
And I'm Mehuli.
and welcome to our channel.
So, firstly, thank you to everyone who showed us so much love in the last two BTS reaction videos. In case you haven't watched those, don't forget to watch them after you watch this video. We'll leave the links in the description.
We also got so many suggestions for so many BTS music videos to be reacted on, and one of the most popular suggestions was Singularity by V. So we are going to watch that music video today.
And we are also reacting to the Sweet Night song, which is also by V. Actually, I saw many recent Instagram posts. I think this song broke few records on iTunes recently. So, yeah.
So yeah, these are the two music videos that we are going to react to, and let's get straight into the video.
So, first we have the Singularity comeback trailer from Love Yourself Tear.
I just realized that this is his own hand.
He has his hand inside a coat. That's
It
so
took me a while
cool.
to realize that. Cool.
Oh.
Nice steps. The dance is so nice, right? He's dancing so well. The choreography is
That's
too good.
what I was noticing. The steps are so like thuk thuk thuk, ekdam like so sharp and really fast also.
Yeah, and in contrast, I think the music is slow, laid back, and whereas
Yeah.
the movement is so quick and fast.
And sharp, very
Sharp.
nice. Wow. Wow.
Nice.
Whoa. Oh my god.
Okay. That's scary. The floating heads are really scary.
And you know what? I think this song is so different from their other songs.
Right.
Like this
It's
is
so
giving
different.
a totally different vibe from what we have heard from BTS before.
Yeah, this is giving serious jazz vibes to me.
Yeah.
Oh, I love his voice in this. Oh, I love this music part as well.
His voice is just so unique. Even among the BTS members, his
It's
voice
very different.
is the most unique one. And this song, like this type of song, suits his voice so well. See, the backup dancers are doing the same coach thing.
And also, he's giving serious bad boy vibes in this, right?
Yes.
Be the bad boy. Love the steps.
Oh my god. Wow.
Lovely. Oh, so nice.
And doesn't it feel like his voice is coming from very far away, like from underwater,
Yeah.
or like, I don't know, it has this effect.
Yeah, true.
Oh.
Lovely visuals. Yeah.
Wait, did those masks just take away his flower?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to see his face in a mask now. Does that come?
Wow, the waves and the
Lovely.
isolations, too good.
See? The water effect.
Wow.
He's still not in a mask. He is in a mask. That's what I was waiting for.
Wow. Oh my god.
Lovely. Wow, that was one lovely piece of music. Loved it.
And his dance was really good, and it gave such R&B, smooth R&B vibes. Loved it. It was so different.
Yeah, it also gave a little background of jazz.
Yeah, very jazzy also. So one thing which I really want to do after listening to this was to make a choreography on this song. We both are actually dancers, and I would love to do a dance piece
Yeah, that
on
would be
this.
so good actually. The beats, the music is so nice.
The bass line, on the
bassline
bass
is
line, yeah.
very nice. I think it'll be great. Waiting for it. So now let's move on to the next video.
Now we have the music video for Sweet Night, which is from Itaewon Class. So this is not actually a song from their own album, but this song was used for this K-drama, I think, Itaewon Class, and it is sung by V.
It's in English. Is the whole song in English? And also the music video is from this K-drama, it seems.
Yeah, the scenes from the drama only. Wow, I think the whole song is really in English.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, also there is one more like voice coming of a girl, I think. But the two voices, like his voice and I don't know whose voice that is, but the both voices are meshing in so well.
Yeah, I think it's giving it a different effect.
Wow.
V's voice has such a wide range.
Yeah.
I mean, he can go high range as well as low range. He has got very good vocals, really.
And this song is just very soulful.
Yeah.
Very soulful, very sweet kind of song. Wow, everything is in English. That's not common.
Yeah.
Wow. His voice just sounds so rich.
And it touches the soul.
Really. So rich and really beautiful.
Lovely.
Wow.
Wow.
It's really touching the soul.
The quality of his voice, it's so good.
See, the girl voice is also coming.
Yeah. It's complementing really well. Giving it a very different effect.
Oh, the whistle. Wow.
It's like an acoustic version.
Actually.
Oh my god, this song was so nice and slow and soulful. Loved it.
I would actually love to listen to this before going to bed or before sleeping, and the name is also Sweet Night.
Yeah, makes sense. Totally makes sense.
And his voice felt so heart touching, soulful, rich. Loved it.
And really, V's voice has got such rich tones and the wide range that his voice covers. It's really appreciative. So thank you again for suggesting these songs. We love them, and like I had mentioned before, I really like these slow kind of music, and definitely these are going on my playlist too.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed our reactions. If you liked it, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe and everything, and we'll see you again soon.
Bye.